Hey guys, it's Dylan. So a lot of you guys have been asking for a breakdown on the weight of material after I get it broken down. So today, after I get this big AC unit broken down, I'm gonna weigh up everything and let you guys know the total weights on all the material. So how I normally go about this is I take off all the bolts just along the ends of the coils. You don't need to do any of the ones along the bottom. It doesn't super matter unless you're trying to get it more compact to put in your trailer or something, but I'm just gonna grab it with the bucket, so it doesn't really matter to me how much I break it down. It'll all squish the same with the excavator. Make a separate pile of stuff here. All right, so let's load everything up and get it to the small scale. Banana for scale. Alrighty guys, we have the dirty radiators on here first. Of course I'm going to be cutting the ends off these, removing the metal and stuff, but strictly from the AC as of right now, these are dirty aluminum copper radiators. We're looking at 39 pounds. We have a mix of a little bit of clean copper, or clean number 2 copper anyway, and then some contaminated copper. I'm just going to put this all on the scale at one time, just showing you what we got from the AC. We got 4 pounds. Sealed units on there. 61 pounds. Dirty electric motor. 13 pounds. There's the banana for scale. Then we have just a little bit of a wire mix here. This for sure isn't gonna go in there. And then a lot of people don't know, but these actually do have value too. There's copper, brass, and some recyclables in these plastic pieces that come from the AC units. And then we got 2 pounds on the wire. And then the rest of it's just gonna be general scrap steel from the weight of the AC unit. So, let me know if you want to see more videos like this where I take the time to weigh out the material when I'm done processing, or if you guys like just seeing how I process the material.